compost. What is it? What is it made of? How long does it take to make? Why do you want it? Behind me is my compost corner that I have set up.
Hi, how are you?
It has been about 1 year since my first compost video, which is probably my best video. Holy crap, that's a lot of soil. So I thought I'd make another one that was a bit more clear, following the rules a little bit more. Without further ado, I'm gonna get right into it. I learned this from Permapasture's farm, and then I got a little bit of advice from a few people in the comments. We're gonna put that to the test today. So let's get started. Okay, so my ingredients here I'm going to be making compost with are fresh grass and leaves. And we're just gonna mix those two. I don't have enough grass though, so let's go get some more.
I've been watching.
That should be enough grass for us to work with. But what about the leaves? Let's get some leaves. So I've got a lot of grass and I've got a lot of leaves, and over here I've got water and a couple of different types of additives that I'm going to be adding in. One of them is compost that I got from this open compost pit where we just throw food in, and the other one is a little bit of compost that's from a finished pile that I made just like this. It's going to be a sort of catalyst to get this compost going. There's a lot of ways you can do this, but I think the best way is to just use compost itself. So.
Whoa, wait a minute. Wait just a second, Tyler. Hold those tomato-flavored horses. I have the PDF document from the University of California pulled up right now, and it says right here in section 10 that soil adds nothing but weight to the compost pile and will discourage the turning to the pile, which is necessary for the rapid composting process. Now, how do you explain that, Tyler? How do you explain that?
Well, I would say adding finished compost to a hot compost pile might not add the things that you're looking for, but I would say that it will add certain things that wouldn't be added otherwise. Even if things get destroyed during the process, you're still going to be adding things that are naturally found in your garden. Think about it like a batch of teriyaki sauce or sourdough bread. In order to make the next batch good, a little bit of the old batch is added to sort of tweak the flavor. So it does make sense. This lemongrass is coming in beautifully. If you're anything like me, then you might like gardening. Maybe you should give this video a like. Maybe you should subscribe to the channel. I don't know, just a thought. So you see I have this ring here. That's just to help get the pile started so that it doesn't fall all over the place. This time around I'm going to be stacking this as high as it can be while keeping it as thin as it can be. I'm going to be treating it as a chimney. So thank you to that YouTube commenter. it sure is good I have this rain barrel here. I wonder how this got here. I wonder if there's a video about that by someone like me. By the way, Hugh Richards has a video talking about open-top rain barrels and the importance of that, specifically for the ability to fill up a watering can easily and quick. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of our other additive, which is the finished compost from last year, made in this exact way. Okay, so that completes that whole process. Now I just have to let it sit for a couple of days and then start flipping it every 2 days, just back and forth, to get it nice and aerated, keep it moist if it starts looking dry. I think that was my problem last year. I let it get too dry. But yeah, that's basically it. I should have some really usable compost. I should have been doing this probably a while ago, but I was waiting to get some fresh cut grass. That was something else someone said, that the grass should be as green as possible because that's going to boost those microbes, that nitrogen. So yeah, but with that, I'm going to wrap this up. I am Tyler from Homegrown Haven Farm. This is how to make hot compost using the Berkeley method. Don't give up, keep growing, and I will see you guys next time.